Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Steam not opening. So if this helps you, subscribe. It's really simple. So let's see what we need to do. I'm going to show you three steps, and if this video helps, subscribe. So open up Task Manager first. How to do that? Click on Search and search for Task Manager. Open it up. Then here, type a name. Click on it at the top. And what I want you to do is type in Steam. So click on it, and now just type in Steam. Wait a bit. So yeah, click on it and type in Steam. And if you see any applications, what we want you to do is close them. So like let's see, I'm gonna do example because I don't have it open. So if you see Steam, right click on it and click on End Task just like that. Now the second way is what to do. You can is restart your computer. So click on Windows and then click on Restart. Click on the power button and click on Restart. And if none of these works, what you need to do is simply search Steam, and click on uninstall. And just delete Steam and download it again. So I hope this video helped you. Subscribe.